County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Dekalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Serena or over Sheridan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard,
okay.
ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
There it is.
Damage to roofs,
I just reset it.
windows,
Well, not reset it, but flip the
vehicles.
switch on and off.
Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, Martin,
This one's still not
St.
active, you know.
Charles,
Turd.
Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Camden Hills, Plano, Sandwich, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Melbourne, Wayne, Valley View, Hinkley, Silverhawk, Lily Lake, Newark, and Millington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for eastern Joe Davies and northwestern
until 11 p.m. Redland and Dundee counties are included in this thunderstorm warning and tornado watch. Again, when it comes to a thunderstorm warning and tornado watch in until 11 p.m. Redland and Dundee townships are included. Thunderstorm warning, tornado watch.
That's that 2-inch hail update for that Freeport one.